Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax. We're the Boston Whaler and Sea Ray dealer here in beautiful Pompano Beach, Florida. Today you are looking at a 2016 Sea Ray 350 SLX. Was just traded in. Always serviced by MarineMax Pompano Beach. Lift kept, 120 hours. Put flush kits in the boat for the client. Huge, beautiful sun pad in the back. Hardtop with electric sunshade and opening sunroof. Freshwater shower here on the back. Premium audio. Electric grill. What a great cockpit this boat has. Easily sit 15 to 20 people on the boat. Has the electric cockpit table that comes up out of the floor when you need the table. Seating everywhere. This is a joystick driven boat. This has the twin 6.2 liter 350 horsepower Mercruisers. Twin Raymarine GPSs. There's the joystick system, which does include the skyhook feature as well as autopilot. It's got a beautiful enclosed head with a real vacuum flush toilet. Actually a shower in there as well. Big expansive bow area on the boat. Seating for 4. Remote spotlight, remote anchoring system. The boat also has a small little air-conditioned cabin with a TV and stereo. Really nice setup. Good place to pop the little ones on a hot day. Give you a nice back cockpit view here. Again, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, 954-783-9555. Come give us a call today. Happy to set up a showing on this beautiful 2016 Sea Ray 350 SLX trade. We'll do a quick little shot of our full service marina here in Pompano Beach. Thanks again for looking and hope to see you soon.